Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we'll be showing you guys how to change your TikTok speed. If you guys don't know how to change your TikTok speed, you guys are not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry, I'll be walking through some super easy steps to fix it, starting from the simplest. So let's get started. Go ahead and open your TikTok app. Then what you're gonna do is click on the add button right over here. Then what you're gonna do is click on the 15 seconds mode. Now on the right side of your phone you'll see a lot of options. Now what you're gonna do is click on the arrow right over here, and then you'll see the speed option. So click on the speed option, and if you want your video to be fast, then click on the 2x speed, and if you want the video to be super fast, you can click on the 3x speed. Now if you want your video to be on slow-mo, you can click on 0.5x. Now if you want your video to be slower than that, you can just simply click on 0.3x. and this is how you guys are able to change your TikTok video speed. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too, and hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.